Hello, Clever Cub. Can you guess the animal? Let's see how smart you are. But first, don't forget to subscribe to Clever Cubs. Let's go. Who is the king of the jungle? Elephant, lion, rabbit, or cat? Can you guess? Hurry up. Yes, it's a lion. Well done. Who is the biggest animal in the world? Cow, horse, elephant or dog? Can you guess? Hurry up. It's elephant. Yes. Which animal has black and white stripes? Zebra, horse, lion or rabbit? Let's see how clever you are. Zebra. Yes, well done. Which animal has long ears and run fast? Duck, rabbit, squirrel or sheep? Let's see, can you guess? Yes, it's a rabbit. Hop hop. Which animal gives us milk? Squirrel, horse, hen or cow? Can you guess? Hurry up. Cow. Well done. Which animal is called a person's best friend? Horse, zebra, dog or monkey? Can you guess? Hurry up. It's a dog. Well done. Well done, kids. You gave such a great answer. Don't forget to subscribe to Clever Cub for more fun. Bye-bye.